Hello. It's a major privilege and opportunity for me to have Anand. Anand and we were actually batchmate, not actually batchmate, he was in PCS and I was in Bosco. But somehow through a common friend we happened to meet. And since then we had been birds of same feather and we flocked together. So today I have come to his place which is in Patliputra, one of the most possessed locality in Patna. And here I come, and we are so much so aligned that we are both unmarried. However, soon we are both gonna get married. Nonetheless, cut to the chase. Because he is my childhood friend, I would like to understand his perspective about what all things are needed to make a girlfriend. How to make a girlfriend, sir? Hello, sir. First, let me welcome you. Hi. So, could you elaborate, emphasize, or share some tips as to what all women think within their mind for the prospective boyfriend or perhaps a guru? What do they choose?
First, I just want to thank you for calling me on, and uh, I had a comfort, but somehow we are just disconnected, and we are here, and he is also not married.
That's true, that's true, that's true, very true.
And
So I'll tell you what, his girlfriend was one of the first girlfriend that she's still my friend and she's a very lovely girl, Malvika, although she's married. She was his girlfriend, although I had a good engagement with her. We were linked through Deepshika and Gurtej Sindhu. They were all from Notre Dame and we had great gala time together and we still venerate and mount and we cherish those memories long past hitherto. We still cherish and treasure those memories. You wanted to say something, sir?
I'm the person who was left by girlfriend. She left me. You can't say she left me or whatever. I left her, and I was again alone and preparing for my IPS.
He is not just preparing for IPS. I must iterate and reiterate at highest decibel that Anand Chaube is a owner, a proprietor of 3 apartments in Patliputra. He is having 6 flats under his name. And the amount of compensation as a rent that he receives each month is more than 80,000, 1 lakh. So he is pretty successful now. He is earning 1 lakh per month. And that I believe is sufficient to be married. I believe is 1 lakh sufficient to be married, sir?
Girls used to ask me what I am doing. And the thing is that I just preparing for my 3 years. I am preparing for my IPS exams.
See, for IPS, not everybody is meant for IPS. Going forward, Mr. What's your name? Anand. Mr. Anand Chaube Guddu, who is going to do executive program from XLI Jamshedpur in human resource. He is already a BTech engineer and now he is gonna pursue. He has a very good work experience of 6 to 8 years and he is going to pursue executive program in MBA from XLI Jamshedpur, which starts in August, and he has already had an engagement with one Vidhi lady who was the counselor of XLI, and she suggested that the avenue will be opened for the registration only in August. Consequently, he'll only be able to initiate the process of learning, taking admission, registering only in August, but within 10 months he'll complete his study and he'll get a fabulous placement.
I just want to say something. I have always wanted to be a IPS. I don't think मैं कर पा रहा हूँ, लेकिन कोशिश जो हमेशा करूँगा.
See, I'll tell you what, there's a friend of mine called Love. He is a JNU product. He cracked IAS, and there are many such cases, Faizan, Love, there are many Puskar, there are many such cases wherein they cracked IAS, IPS. My own uncle has cracked IAS, Prashant Kumar Singh. He is very late. He was a Michaelite and St. Stephen student. I'll come to you. So, unfortunately or fortunately, IPS now, given his age, is a little. It's a Sisyphean. Therefore, the focus largely on executive MBA, and you may want to talk about HR, human resources management, if you have some idea.
A lot of analytical management सब चीज जानता हूँ.
He has chosen to do. He will choose to do HR in analytics, because one of the role of the SR is to analyze, do a lot of number crunching. This number crunching is very, very important to hire a potential good talent from the open source, because human capital is such a thing wherein you have to tap upon right potential. A wrong man hired is no less than harakiri for the company. Therefore, he will be analyzing the data, and eventually he would have the interviews lined up with the right man who would be able to establish the veracity of the claim which is made by the prospective employee who is being interviewed. Is it not a good idea, sir?
I think it's a good idea, but hierarchy is always the case. And I don't think this hierarchy and this triangle is whatever is going is not the good case.
See, in terms of hierarchy, I understand. You just cannot start at the top level in a hierarchy. You have to start from the bottom and then climb the ladder all the way up to the top. And you will obviously join as a middle level management, but the prospective employee, the new students who will come into your company, they will be employed as a junior HR, marketing people, at a junior level with a package of 3.5 lakhs, 4 lakhs, 4.2 lakhs. That is going to be his their salary.
Nishal,
Yeah, please go ahead.
Can I say something?
Yes, please do. And please expatiate. Please talk long.
Hierarchy is not a level, but killing the people just because of the hard records and just what the records, what you say, they used to get in 10th, 12th, is never attach them.
No. What I understand, to be eligible to work in corporate, graduation is a must. If you have MBA, journalism, communication, BTech degree, MTech degree, then it's a icing on the cake. However, I concede that the minimum benchmark is a graduation degree. Arts, commerce doesn't matter.
I just want to ask you, वो benchmark बनाया कौन है? हम ही लोग
See, the system has created the benchmark, and we are all part of that system. No, please don't use slangs. We are all part of that system, and we must live by the system. It's not easy to go against system, so let us move with the system. Once you climb the top, then you can create policies, norms and regulation. Right from the scratch, you just cannot do it.
Just want to ask you, can we create the policies? No, we can't. We can't create the policies because we are not able to do anything.
That is true. You can create policies only if you are at a level wherein it is desirable.
What do you think?
Today, as a middle level manager, you just cannot create policies. To create policies, you will have to enter the board. once you are a board member, CEO, CFO, CMO, then you will be able to create the policies.
How many people are there?
Then you will
in
be
the
able to look into the government talk.
How many people are there in the CEO or CFO? हाँ? क्या अपने लिए सोचे हैं? उन्होंने अपने लिए सोचा है.
We are corporates. Let's speak.
उन्होंने अपने लिए सोचा है.
I would request.
उन्होंने किसी और के लिए नहीं सोचा है और ना सोचेंगे, क्योंकि जब कमाई होती है ना तो ऊपर की होती नहीं है, नीचे की भी होती है.
He is little acrimonious. He is little antagonist. He is little
I am not
despondent. Please don't mind it, because it's like he's very lonely. He's the only child of his mom and father. He is not mollycoddled. He is not mollycoddled because his mother and father has passed away long ago. Therefore, he is living in a life of seclusion for more than 10 years. That is why he is talking the way he is talking. It's the inbuilt wrath which is ensconced deep into his recesses of his mind.
I am not arrogant.
Of course. Why to be arrogant? It's better to be generous.
Respect और arrogance में एक लाइन का अंतर होता है.
Very true. I do not differ with you. I agree to agree. I don't agree to
मुझे कोई
disagree.
मारेगा, अगर कोई मुझे उठा के ले जाएगा तो मैं मारूंगा. एक चीज बता रहे हैं.
You know, being aggressive is good. Being aggressive is good. But beating somebody black and blue is something that I would not
I have never done that, yaar.
I will never subscribe to anybody beating black and blue. You have to talk, negotiate, bargain, convince. You have to sensitize people.
I will never negotiate with that system. I will do whatever I think.
So you are you, me and I. Are you something beyond you, me and I?
I am not below you and I.
No. Then can you tell me something? Being a neutral speaker, can you speak something? Being a neutral, stabilize yourself. First, stabilize yourself. And
I was beaten to 206 cases. My bone was broken, but there were no one.
There are the stitches. Where are the stitches? There are the stitches.
So, where was the ये क्या बोलते हैं आप लोग?
Help! Where was the sucker? Who extended him the olive branch? Unfortunately, it was never known to me. We are connected by so many common friends, but unfortunately, it was not known to me the day he met with an accident that he has met in his.
No, I have not met with an accident.
However, Rahul was there, I guess. Rahul was in the hospital when you met with the accident during stitches.
Yeah.
He was there.
Yeah.
He was there. Rahul was there to take care, I guess, if I am not wrong. I could not be there because I just
just give me a. I was 4 months admitted and I was staying alone and I was surviving like anything. I was not given a food and I was.
So he is basically trying to say that his situation, he is going through a very, very difficult time. He is very distressed.
I am just giving a warning. If I am going to survive, most people are going to die.
Please don't kill anybody, sir. Live and let live. Live and let live. Before we conclude, let us say bye to the camera like a gentleman. Let us behave like a gentleman. Before we conclude, let us end up on a good note. Let us end up on a lighter note, and then we'll conclude.
I'm really sorry if I have said something wrong. I was always disgusted and I was never arrogant. There is a simple, respectful thing. I have a sister. She said something to me. And I'm really sorry if I said something wrong.
With that said, I conclude and I tell you what, I empathize and commiserate with you, sir. Absolutely. Hook, line and sinker. May Lord bless you. Thank you for the interview. Thank you.